Hey beaders, it's Daniella from Estelle and Wild, and I am back with another bead box from Bargain Bead Box. Well, it's actually a bag, as I usually say, and I have just taken off the green mailer, and this is what's inside. It's a tissue paper in which the actual bag is contained, and I have not opened this yet, even though it might look like it. Maybe we should have this here. No. Should we? No, we should. Off you go. Alright, here's the bag. And the theme for this month is citrus. So I imagine there's going to be a lot of yellow stuff in here, which is nice. And here is the content list. There are 18 items in the bag this month. And okay, so let's get to it. Let's open it up. I can see that there are a lot of yellow things in here and green as well. Okay, well, what is this? All right, I'm going to sort these and I'll get back. All right. Okay, so let's start with bag number 1. And in here we have 40 pieces of 8mm leaf bead caps. And let's see. They are, oh, okay, like that. This is what they look like. They're kind of nice. I think they are a little bit unusual because I usually use round ones, but these are not round ones. They are 4-leaf bead caps, and they are, I think they're nice, silvery. There. And bag number 2. Here we have 5 sets of 14 by 19mm smooth toggle clasps. How many? 5 sets. They're small, but these are nice. I like these simple ones. They're very basic, but they are very useful. They don't take up a lot of, you know, space from the actual, let's say, bracelet or something. So I think they are nice. Bag number 3. In this we have 100 pieces of 4mm daisy spacer beads. These are always nice to have. They are in silver, like this. See? Nice. And then we have bag number 4. And in here we have something very green. And it is a 7-inch strand of 6mm faceted Malaysia jade quartz round beads. These are nice. It's a very nice lime color, I think, and I hope you can see it. Like that. It's a very nice color. Yeah? Cute. I like lime. Both to eat and the color. Alright, bag number 5. Sorry. In here we have 12 pieces of 10 by 9mm matte stripe crystal round beads in lemon chiffon AB. These are nice. You see? I think they're cute. It's a nice color. And it's cool also with the stripe inside. It's a matte stripe there. I think they're nice. Cool. And then we have bag number 6. Looks like this. And in here we have 20 pieces of 10mm lemon slice, handmade polymer clay beads. And I'm not so sure about this. They feel like, you know, erasers. And I'm not so fond of things that are kind of plastic. I don't like that. I like glass and, you know, real materials. Oops. But they are cute. Maybe my son would like to play with them. He loves everything that he gets from me. especially beads actually. He likes PlayStation and beads. That's a fun combination. Alright, they are very yellow and they look like little slices. Okay. There. And in bag number 7 we have 2 pieces of 34 by 20 millimeter leaf chandelier components. These are always nice, I think. Oh, I like these. They're cool. Look, aren't they nice? I think so. I think it's something wrong with my light. It's best light over here where I have no lights. Well, anyway, these are cool, silvery. They are kind of double-sided, I must say. Kind of. They are very cool. And they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. And maybe you can hang something small up here as well. Very nice. I like those. Yeah. And then we have bag number 8. And we have 4 pieces of 25 millimeter triple leaf drops. I wonder what that is. It is... Okay. Was it drops, really? Yeah. These are nice. Look. Cool. I've never seen these before. Very nice. Very nice. Oops. And they are not double-sided, as I will show you. This is the back. This is the back, and this is the front. Like that. Anyway, doesn't matter. Bag number... Oh, that was another one. All right. Bag number 9. In here we have an 8-inch strand of 6 by 4 millimeter crystal rondelle beads in matte lemon chiffon. Wow, these are cool. They're very nice. I like the color a lot. To me, it seems like an old-fashioned color. I don't know if you can see this. All right, I think so. It's a very light yellow with some kind of a finish on. Not just a matte color, but it's well, like a finish. It's nice. Very cool. Very nice. All right, in bag number 10 we have something very yellow as well, and it's 10 pieces of approximately 10 millimeter lampwork glass round beads. I like lampwork. I think that's cool. I have no idea how that is made. I gotta check that out. See, it's a very nice yellow and like a glass, clear glass around and yellow in the middle. I can see in the camera that they look like neon yellow, but they're not neon yellow. They are like regular yellow. All right. And then we have bag number 11. And in that we find a 15-inch strand of 6 millimeter crackle agate round beads in lemon meringue. It's also a nice yellow color. That looks absolutely neon in my camera, but it's not. And they are kind of matte, and they have sort of like a finish on some of them. As you can see here, this is like a lemon yellow, and this is like lemon yellow with the frosting. I don't know. But it's nice. It's a nice color, I must say. There. And then we have bag number 12. And let's see, it's 4 pieces of never give up charms. Okay. And I must say, I am not totally in love with things that have writing on them. I don't like that. I want to decide for myself if I want something to be written on my stuff, you know. So this, I'm not too happy about that. Doesn't matter. Taste is different, thank God. All right. And then we have bag number 13, which is a big yellow pendant bead. It's very, very nice yellow. See? And where is it? Top drilled yellow agate pendant, it says. And the top drill is like it goes through here. Did it? It's nice. I like it. Yeah. And then we have bag number, where is it? 14. And now we're into the lime colors again. This is a 5.5. No, it's not. Yes, it is. It's a strand of lime green opaque glass beads. Kind of nice though, I must say. Kind of nice. They're very green. What's the size? It said, didn't say. I would say these are about 10 millimeters, I guess. Kind of nice though. Okay, and then we have bag number 15, which I think is a bag with a chain, maybe. Yep, it's a 1 meter 3 by 2 millimeter steel jewelry chain. It's like a regular chain, but it's very useful, and I think it's really, really good that they always send chain. That's good. All right, and then we have bag number 16, which is also very green, and this is a 7.5 inch strand of 8 millimeter Millefiori glass coin beads, and these are actually very cute, I think. Hope you can see them. They're like little green flowers. Well, they're green on the outside, and then inside there is a little white and yellow flower. Can you see it? Yeah, I think they're cute. How big were these? 8 millimeters. They're cute. Very nice. All right. Maybe I should move this up a little. You can't see it. There. There we have all the goodies. And then we have bag number 17. And this is 2 pieces of 13 millimeter enamel brass lemon charms. And these are so, these are so cute, really. They are. Look, these are little lemons. Very nice. They are so cute. I'm going to put them, where am I going to put them? I'm going to put them here. Hope you can see. Yeah. And last but not least, we have bag number 18, which is a 7.5 inch strand of yellow agate English cut faceted round beads. These are really nice. They also look like this, the same thing with the meringue, lemon meringue or whatever it was. Yes, looks like they have like frosting on them. You can see this one, for example. Frosted little goodie. It looks really yummy. You want to eat this pie, really, if it was a pie. Cool. I like this. The only thing that I did not like was these lemon slices, because they're plastic and I don't like plastic. But otherwise, I think it's a fun combination of beads, and I like the colors. It's going to take some pulling out of my stash, my stash to actually make something with this. I think I need some dark colors as well. But it's going to be fun to try and see what I can come up with. And I am sure I can find lots of inspiration online. People are so they're so good at making jewelry from these bags that I'm in awe sometimes. But I'm going to try, and hopefully I'll get back and I'll show you what I made. All right, so thank you for now, and I see you back later. All right, bye bye.